when you talked about risk selection, yes, there's the questions you want to ask and making sure you're getting the necessary information. But the other side of it is no carrier wants to eat every risk in a given area or market segment or anything. But on the OEM side, you would like to sell out of all of your production. And it doesn't matter if this person's a good driver or a bad driver, as long as they pay for the vehicle. The sale is the sale for the because you know the price going in, you know the margin going in. For an insurer, it's not like that. So even if you had your own carrier and you were willing to write insurance on anyone who walked in, you may not want it on your paper or your capacity, or you may choose from an insurance side, we don't want any new business we see this in the US with homeowners, no new business in California and Texas and whatever. We've seen that in auto before. Well, that doesn't mean that, none of the Stellantis dealerships want to sell cars in those states anymore. So you still need to solve for the insurance. And this is where, to your point, it may be partnership, it may be having other capacity to tap into through an embedded mechanism. And I know you've recently launched something with Bolt. You look at these sort of platform-based solutions as well, to try to solve for the fact that no one carrier can always take every risk, but the dealership would like to sell its inventory.
No, you're right. And because there are always some exceptions or some extreme cases. Okay?
Yeah. And
we have the same in all markets. So very young drivers or drivers where the driving behavior was really bad, but, for whatever reason and so on. But often the market has a solution. Okay, so when the customer, I think what's important here is more to, are we able to help the customer to find a solution?
Yeah.
And we have a lot of activities in any case where we don't always we would like to say yes to a customer, but sometimes we cannot.
Yeah.
On finance, if the credit score is low or whatever and so on, it could be something where there are rules of the game and we follow, and that's being professional as well. But does it mean that, hey, I don't have a solution, so sorry for you and feel too bad? No, I think there could be some solutions. So for us, there is a lot at stake. He's a car owner.
Yeah.
There should be a finance normally, okay? There is a maintenance program. There is a warranty, breakdown insurance also.
Yeah.
So there is a lot at stake. And there is also the fact that, hey, he's going to replace the car, or maybe he's going to take another car and I want him to, and so on. So I think the consideration that the group has is also different. So there is at stake a pie which probably is greater in terms of customer loyalty, okay? And on which indeed we can therefore try to find solutions. But we need also the market to follow us in this.
Yeah.
And we need the system. And that's why what we have with Bolt is amazing. Hi, my name is Edouard de Lamarzelle, and this is the future of insurance.